Top 5 Best Throw Flashlight. Five. Through Night TN32 UT Thrower Flashlight. TN32 designed for flashaholics. Max output can be 1150 lumen. Copper circuit warehouse provides better heat dissipation performance. Max beam distance 1043 meters. Battery 3 by 18,650. Streamlined body design and good for searching and rescue purposes. Premium Type 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive finish. Amazon product link check in the description. 4. Nitecore TM36 SBT70. The world's smallest LED rechargeable searchlight with a maximum throw of 1,100 meters. Utilizes luminous SBT70 LED, integrated multifunction OLED display. Thermal protection circuit prevents overheating. Includes ultra-high performance and BP52 battery pack to double runtime. 3. Fenix Flashlights TK61. Max 1000 lumen output from rechargeable 18,650 Li-ion batteries, not included. Amazing 824 meters of throw. Dual switch system is easy to control the 4 levels of light, strobe and SOS. IPX8 waterproof. 2 meters for 30 minutes. Supported by limited lifetime guarantee from Fenix Lighting, US. 2. Aspim K70. The Aspim K70 appeared to be the one I was looking for. After using this light, I have to say it's better than I had hoped for. With the 4 rechargeable batteries, this light will operate for hours, depending on the setting. If you are looking for a beam that reaches out, this is your light. Product description: Aspim K71 Cree XHP 35 high LED 6000K max. Output 2600 LMS. Throw distance 1300 m. Size 206 length 88 head dia 50 tube dia. Battery type 4 times 18,650 batteries, excluded. 1. Nitecore P12 GT. Maximum output 1000 lumens using premium Cree XPL High V3 LED. Boasts a peak beam intensity of 25,700 CD. High-efficiency circuit board provides up to 520 hours runtime on low level. Intelligent memory function stores preferred brightness setting. This bundle includes Nitecore NL189 3400 mAh rechargeable 18,650 battery and 2X Edison Bright CR123AL.